Joel, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. We wish you happiness, good health, long life, and we love you and God bless you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Wawa. More birthdays to come po. More blessings. Happy birthday, Wawa.
Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Ingat po. Happy birthday. Smile me.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Guys,
Cake!
no cake. Yun yan, joke.
Happy birthday, Nana Dowen. Happy birthday, Nana Dowen. Happy birthday, Nana Dowen. Happy birthday, Nana Dowen.
Happy birthday po, Tito Joel. Enjoy your day. Ingat po palagi. Happy birthday, Konjo.
Happy birthday, Konjo. Happy birthday, Tito. God bless po and more birthdays to come. And lagi, ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday po, Tito.
Ingat po kayo lagi.
Joel, happy 60th birthday. Hoping that your birthday you'll enjoy for this year. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Joel. Happy birthday. All I can say with you, thank you for being supportive with our family, for the love, not only love, as well the financial. Then, I wish all the best for you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Joel. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And welcome to the 20% discount.
Welcome to the senior citizen group na. So, again, happy 60th birthday to you. We love you so much and God bless you.
Hi. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sana nakapang-birthday natin dito. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Jo. Good health po lagi. Mimingat kayo. Salamat. God bless.
Happy birthday, Bob. Thank you kay advice mo, kaya kami pati Darren Brenda. Thank you kay lagi pakaramdaman mo na manitang idudulong mi kaya. Happy birthday ulit. God bless and good health.
Hi, Kon Joel. Happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday darating sa iyong buhay. At sana maging malusog at masaya ka. Maraming salamat sa mga binibigay mong tulong sa amin. Sana marami ka pang matulungan. Kayong dalawa ni Ate Brenda. Maraming salamat and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Joel! Stay healthy and pogi.
Sana po may buhok na po tayo.
Happy birthday!
Hello, happy birthday, Joel. Sana may ragdagan pa yung kain pa mag-birthday mo yan.
San? Happy birthday. 60 na ka pala na eh. Sagli meron sin panahon. Pares katapusan. Bulan mo yung kwak ko.
Joel, happy birthday. Sana kumaba ka biye. Kumaba ka biye. Sana nga ingat kay Ken. Happy birthday ne. Sige. Happy birthday namu.
Happy birthday Joel.
Happy birthday, Kon Joel. Happy 60th birthday. Sana masaya kayo ngayon king in celebrating Kong Joel's 60th birthday. Karang mga ates and kuyas, mga pamangkins.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Kamusta? Sana sa tigasan ng kabilang ken.
Oh. Happy birthday na eh. Birthday na talaga kanyan. Kamusta na larikay? Oreng anak na eh.
Hello Joe. Happy birthday Joe.
Happy birthday Lolo Joel.
Happy birthday po, Tito Joel.
Happy birthday, Joel. This is another miles of your life. Have a blessed day and enjoy.
Have a blessed and happy birthday, son Joel. On behalf of Devon family, ito, bumabati kami sa iyo ng happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Senior Club. Welcome. At saka, thanks nga pala sa buhay ninyong mag-asawa na alam namin na wala na kaming i-wish sa inyo kundi yung good health and happy life. Alam naman namin na success na kayo in so many ways. And mostly, ang pinaka-successful point ng view nyo, life nyo ay yung pagiging humble nyo at saka yung generosity na once na nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, hindi kayo nakakalimot sa mga kamag-anak, lalo na si Brenda na even is immediate family and she's always a part of this family. Kaya thank you po si family, lalo na sa buhay mo Joel at sa buhay ni Sis Brenda. Maraming salamat sa love at saka yung attention at quality time na ini-spend niyo once na nandito kayo sa Pilipinas. God bless you.
Happy birthday Joe. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating. Sana marami ka pang panahon na haba ang buhay mo. Para pagdating ng pag-retiro mo, magsama-sama na tayo dito. Sana, kumusta na kayo dyan? Yung mga anak mo, kumusta na? Sige, happy birthday na lang.
Hi, Insan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. So, best wishes and good health. And of course, more years to celebrate with your loving family and friends. And enjoy your day. So, cheers.
Hi, Joel. Happy birthday. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. We're so blessed na naabot natin ang edad na ganito. Sabi nga nila, don't regret growing old, for it's a privilege denied to many. So we wish you good health, for health is wealth. And may the Lord continue to shower you and your family with His choicest blessings. We would also like to thank you for everything that you do, lalo na pag nagbabakasyon kami dyan. And kahit umuwi kayo dito, we can never repay all the things that you do. Relax din kayo ni Bamba pag may time. Don't work too hard. Kasi okay naman na yung mga anak ninyo. Again, we want to thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Joel!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Joel!
We
love you!
Happy
We love you! Enjoy your party!
Birthday! Senior citizen na siya, no? Okay, Joel. Welcome to the club. Ako, 60s na rin.
Ayaw sabihin. Okay. Happy birthday, Joel!
Happy birthday, Tito Joel!
Happy birthday!
We love you!
We love you!
Happy 60th birthday!
Enjoy your day!
God bless!
Happy birthday, Joel!
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Joel! Tumatanda ka na, kami din. Happy 60th birthday!
Hello, Joel. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ko ka good health, siyempre. And more blessings to come. Lalo po, dahil anak mo, halos yari na naman. Just enjoy your life. Kapag anak ka pa. Okay? Happy birthday, Brad. Take care always. Regards to the family.
Bisa ko sanang mamiye
maragula greetings, maragula pamamie at masayang birthday greetings kan Joel. Joel, metong yang tawong dedicated king kayang obra. And itang pamakyabe na kanako king UST maragol yung bage uling iya ampoy bamba dekareta ang anak na naging parte na unin kaya kaming ning kanako biye agang ni patuloy pa rin yung aming pag-uusap, ang communication. Kaya, not only in the past, that he became a part of my life, but even to the future, and even to the present. And for this, mahal mo Joel, maragul kong pasalamat kay ka. Inya ngeni, ibiyad na kang maragula, puge, kay kang birthday, manibat king Sri Lanka, ini makakwaya kining masaya at peaceful ming garden. Yapin ng garden na ng St. Dominic. Uling adwang ko sana kang St. Dominic, ing pangadina ka, nakakakalingwan, nung luka rin ka man, munta, ingata na ka, dahil pamilya mo, ang poring kay kang anak. Sana, masaya ka palagi, uling ing saya, yang bibiya tula, yang bibiya ligaya, at bibiya dangal, kayong kakatamong biye. Makanya na mo, masaya, magrasya, at matune, birthday greetings kay ka, manibat, kaning masayaming lugar as Sri Lanka. Thank you and goodbye.